one and all, I am Sujit Shivram of 5C. I am going to speak about reverse osmosis and values of water and how to save water. Values of water. Water is a very precious natural resource found all over the world, which helps living beings to survive on the earth. Early civilization of the earth have evolved around the banks of rivers in the world like Indus Valley civilization and ancient Egypt civilization. Water maintains the ecological balance as it evaporates from the sea and joins air to form water vapor which causes rainfall. Osmosis and reverse osmosis. Osmosis is a naturally occurring process in which a liquid such as a normal water spontaneously passes through a membrane. The membrane allows some molecules like normal water through, but other molecules like the majority of salts are unable to easily pass through the membrane structure. When the direction of the liquid flow is reversed, pressuring the concentrated solution is called reverse osmosis. In the case of seawater are able to force water molecules in the reverse direction from the salty water side through the membrane to the side. Now I am going to explain the reverse osmosis using the seawater and normal water with some properties. First, I take a split tank using by the membrane. I am going to pour some seawater into a side. And normal water into the other side. Into the other side. The osmosis process occurs naturally due to low concentrated molecules passes through the membrane and the water level of seawater side will increase. I am going to do the reverse osmosis using by the manual pressure pump. When I compress the seawater side, the more water molecules come to the reverse direction, so we can get more pure water from the seawater. Save the water. The excessive usage of water can create drought situation in metros leading to migration. Some little steps like turning off the water tap while brushing, shaving or washing hands can save a lot of water. Using buckets instead of shower for bathing and cleaning vehicles are also save good amount of water. By correct measures of recycling of water for agriculture, irrigation and rainwater harvesting, people can save enough drinking water for themselves. By seeing the after effects of drought and importance of water, United Nations decided to celebrate 22nd March as the World Water Day to raise awareness on saving water. Save water, save the earth. Thank you.